everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shelly from Crafty Cottage Dreams, and I'm just popping on today because I am having a destash. I've been cleaning and organizing my whole craft room along with my whole house, getting rid of items that I no longer use or want or need. And I just wanted to pop on today to destash some stuff. Trying to simplify my life and make it easier for me in my home. I have way too much stuff and it can be very overwhelming at times. And these are items that have not been used. I've had them for a while and I just will probably never get around to using them. So here I am. So right now, what I have before me is this beautiful Tilda box. It was from Crafty Me Shop, and I purchased it, I don't know, I think it was a couple years ago, and it's adorable. I do love it, but yeah, I'm probably not going to use it. So, if you saw my video on Facebook, I've spent 2 weekends trying to organize my craft room and try to make it into my weight training area along with my craft room. And I think I did a splendid job at doing that. I have more room than I started off with just my craft room. So I'm super excited about that. It works out for me now. To do the things that I love to do. I do love to craft, although I haven't been doing that a lot lately. I've been more working within my home, organizing, getting rid of stuff, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to spend today to try to destash. So we have this beautiful Tilda box, and I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. And we'll just, has this clasp, and it has all sorts of goodies in it. As you can see, I am not going to take everything all out. However, it's got beads. We have beads here. It's just full of gorgeous, gorgeous embellishments. We have florals and all sorts of yummy goodies in here. They're so cute. Everything in here is adorable. It's just so cute. Look at this Tilda. Just full of super cute items in here to work with, and I do love it, but again, I need room in my home. I have craft stuff everywhere and it's getting out of control, and I just need to do this. All my beading supplies. I could not believe how much beads I actually had. It was so ridiculous. But I don't know why I felt I needed that many beads and beadings. And so my daughter has all those. I graciously gifted her those because she's more of a beader than I am, and she was quite pleased with that. But here is this beautiful Tilda box, and it's just so adorable. I love it. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop. It's just easier for me to do it that way. Oops, I'm sorry guys. So that has to go. And then we have this beautiful box. This was also from Crafty Me Shop. box full of florals. It is just filled. I mean, it's stuffed. Stuffed, stuffed, stuffed. And just look at all these flowers. I mean, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. I stuffed them all in here. But it's got all sorts. I mean, look at it. Look at all this. I love that color. But I haven't used them. And I don't know. I just, as beautiful as they are, I will probably not ever get around to using them. So there is that. I hope everybody's doing well, and I'm really sorry I've been absent, guys. I'm definitely going to get back into crafting and creating journals again. Right now, I'm just trying to get my home in order, and of course, you know, I work. So, and I don't work just 40 hours. I work more than that, so I need to get my home in order. So that, and I'm adding this to it because I just can't fit them all in this box. So there is this. So that has to go. And then, and I absolutely, this is also from Crafty Me Shop. Then again, this is so gorgeous, and I have been wanting to do this. It is very, very large fabric book with embellishments and lace. I mean, you have tons in here. And let me just, I am going to open it up. Just, I didn't want to do that, but because I don't want to mess everything all up, and I'm sorry about the crinkle, but I figured you'd want to know pretty much what you're getting. I'll have to put everything back in there nicely. So you have all of these. Look at all that, guys. And it really is gorgeous. I am definitely not opening this up because it's beautifully packaged and I'm not going to mess it up. And you have these gorgeous fabric here. And then this one. And I got to put everything back the way it was. And this fabric book is to die for. Look at it. It is huge. Super huge. And I think it's gorgeous, but I will never ever get around to creating it. And you have more fabric laces in each page. I mean, look at it. It's full of her gorgeous laces. I hate to get rid of this. I just like looking at it, but it's got to go. It has got to go. So, isn't it? It's just, oh, I love it. More fabric. And then underneath, I mean, there is tons here, guys. And this is absolutely stunning. Tons here. So I'm going to try to put everything back here. And this will also be listed in my Etsy shop. It is so beautiful. And yeah, I'll put that back nicely after. And then I was in Doreen's Crystals and Pearls Kit Club, and most of I've disassembled most of her packages that I have had. I was in it for like 3 years, and then I kind of stopped because I just had an overabundance. And I'm never going to get to these. So I am also listing these in my Etsy shop. This one, I forget which one this was called, but here it is. This is how it came. And I guess I could manage. I mean, I don't really want to, but I mean, I don't want to mess everything all up either. I'm so scared. I'm not going to be able to put everything back the way it was. And it comes in this plastic envelope. And I'm definitely not going to tear everything apart, but look at this lusciousness. Look at all these goodies. I mean, Doreen has such a knack for creating and putting things together. And I really don't want to mess. Look at this little pink bag with the embellishments in it. It's so cute. She always has such. And then you have these goodies in here. I'm not going to take it apart, guys. I'm sorry. I want it to be exact, for you to receive it exactly how I received it. And then, and this is all I'm going to do for today. I do have more to come. And then there is this one. And this one is, I'm not going to take it all out, guys. I just can't. I will not be putting this in there with it. This did come with, only because the fact that it does have my name. But this one is Happiness is Homemade Kit. And look at all those goodies in there. And look at that. That's actually a house. It's super, super adorable and super cute. Let me see. Maybe I can put that the way it was. So you get this full of yumminess, and I'm not going to open that back up. I'm not going to open that up. I just can't. And then you get this with a bunch of goodies inside. And then, oh, I never really noticed that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at all these yummies. Look at that. So, and then you get that. Now I gotta put everything back together. So that is all I'm going to do today, guys. That's all I'm gonna destash for now. So yeah, everything will be listed in my Etsy shop, just because it's easier for that way for me. And then next weekend, so if you're interested, everything will be posted in my Etsy shop. Next weekend, look at this, guys. So crazy. Next weekend, I'll be going through all of these sequins. If anybody is interested, why I felt I needed all these sequins. I do love them. They're sparkly and they're pretty, but I mean, this bowl is huge. This, I'm going to sell all in one. And it's just super, you have so many different, it's just stinking adorable. And I will just never get around to using these. I mean, it has everything. And I've purchased these from various ladies. I mean, just this alone was like $3. So, but I'll be selling it as a full package deal. So that will be next weekend. And that's it for now, ladies. And yes, I am hoping to be crafting again soon after I'm done with my home. I've been doing this since January when time permits, with organizing and getting. My family took a lot of stuff. My daughter took a lot of stuff. And yeah, I just have way too much stuff, and it's just ridiculous and crazy. And we really don't need all that much stuff. I do not need all that stuff. And it's stuff that I will probably never get around to using. So there you have it, guys. And until next time, much love and hugs. And if you are interested, head right on over to my Etsy shop. Bye-bye.